Are we gonna go home? Sonia, where are the babies? Where are they? Do you have a big stick?
Yes.
Can you show it to me?
I will mix it.
Are you gonna mix the rocks? Sonia, we have to go home. Let's go home.
No.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go now.
No.
Can you come here?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Come over here. Cuckoots. All right, Sonia, come here. Yeah, you can take a rock, but let's go home. Marching? Are you marching? Let's show me you're marching. Marching. Should Daddy march? Should Daddy march too? March. Where's the baby? Oh, it's behind the tree, right?
Oh.
What's that? What's that? Is that a doggy over there?
Yeah. It's trash.
That's trash?
Yes.
Should we pick it up?
Yes.
Why don't we go pick it up? Okay. We can go pick it and put it in the trash. Let's put it in the trash over there, okay?
Yes.
Did Daddy put it in the trash? Okay. Where's the trash can? Sonny, can you show me the trash can? Huh? Ooh, there goes Sonia. Ooh. Yeah. Sonia, where's the trash can?
Right there.
Right there? Good job. Show me where the trash can is. Are you gonna mix it now? Okay. Sonia, idemo doma. Let's go. Okay, you want to put this in the trash? Okay. Here, this side. Come to this side. Here.
No, me.
You do it. Here, you do it. Here, Daddy, help. Now you just put it in. Good job. That was very nice of you, Sonia. Okay, now let's go home. No, it's fine. No.